guys, it's Chase
Aaron.
from the Castle Couple, and today we are not in Disney World. We are in Australia. So we did something. So since we got here, there aren't necessarily like pin stores to go to in that because we like collecting pins. So we kind of got into collecting Pop Funkos or Funko Pops, however you want to call it. So yeah, we found a website, and it's Popcultcha, and they had like a Disney mystery box with 6 Funkos for, I don't remember how much it was. I think it was like $50 exactly. Australian, which is like, I don't know, 32, 35-ish American. I don't know.
I'll put it at the bottom, like right now.
Good call.
There you go.
So we wanted to unbox this for you guys and see what we got. We don't have a lot. We'll probably show our collections like at the end of this video, like after we get done unboxing it, like with everything.
Maybe in a couple days.
Oh, that's right. Erin also ordered. You didn't order a mystery box, did you?
No, I didn't.
No, you just ordered 2 like special edition ones.
2 that I would want.
Yes, because my collection's bigger than hers by a lot so far.
I only have 2. Chase has 4.
4.
But one of them's not
Disney. One of them's Steve Irwin. But whatever. All right, so we're gonna get into unboxing this. Let me open the. I'm gonna open the bottom so that we can't see the tops. Because if you don't know, like the top of the Funko box has like their like a little like image, right? Like you would call it like a little image.
I think it kind of says something or a picture or something on the top.
So we don't want to like spoil it, so we're gonna open it from the bottom so we can't see them. We're gonna like kind of feel around and see like what we can get. So let me open this. Okay. Do you want to start? Okay. Pick a box, any box.
Where's the in there?
What'd you?
I got Olaf as Moana. Oh my god, that's so good.
It's like a glare, but it's okay.
I'll show him like now.
So this is from Olaf Presents.
I ordered the Olaf as Rapunzel one.
No, you didn't.
I did.
It says it's a special edition, so I wonder if it's like sparkly or something. I don't know.
I don't know what's special about it.
Well,
I don't know a lot about them, so like if you know the difference between the special edition and the normal edition, I guess, let us know, because we don't know.
I'm gonna pick this one.
Oh.
Check that out. Okay, so this one, I think, so we've been watching a few videos. It's Red from the Pirates ride, from Pirates of the Caribbean. She's special edition again. I don't know exactly what that means, but I think
sometimes the special editions have like small details that are different.
Yeah, but I think this one's exclusive to Disneyland. No,
Really?
I think I've seen it in Walt Disney World, but I think this one, like, there's a special edition one for Disneyland. So this one might be from Disneyland. I don't know. That's
Let us
though.
know.
Yeah, you let us know in the comments. I won't put that over there with yours. Okay, you're up next. I can't look. Hold on. Let me slide like them around. There you go. So it's easier for you to see.
Ooh.
Who'd you get?
The Lady Tremaine.
Oh, from Cinderella.
Lucifer's in the back. This one's not a special edition. It doesn't have the sticker on it. So it's just the normal one. Yeah.
I don't think either of us have any villains.
I have a small Maleficent.
Yeah, but it was like a mystery box you got like while we were shopping.
So there.
You kind of have to move it to the side to avoid the glare. Yeah. Alright, let's see. I am gonna pick. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I have no. Is this?
Haunted Mansion.
Yeah, so this is from the stretching room.
The pictures.
The pictures. So it's Alexander, oh gosh, Nitrokoff. I definitely butchered that. But from the Haunted Mansion. No like special edition or anything like that. But he's the guy who stands on the TNT box on the Haunted Mansion. That's definitely one I would not have bought, but I kind of like him.
Yeah, we normally like don't really go on Haunted Mansion when we're in Disney World, so like.
Pick another.
Oh my gosh! So I got like the Small World Mexico, and I have I have the United States one, which is Hawaii.
Yes, the hula girl.
Yeah, she's the hula girl. So I have her, but now I have Mexico too.
Is it
It's a 2021 Summer Convention Limited Edition. There you go.
There's conventions for this?
I don't know. We're really new to this. Don't judge us.
All right, last one in the box here. I might have just got a glimpse of it, and I'm kind of excited.
Oh boy, what is it?
It is a Disneyland 65th anniversary pop train Mickey Mouse. He's on Casey Jr. Circus train attraction at Disneyland.
So, trip announcement and question for you. Are you gonna look like that when we go to Disneyland?
Absolutely. So, we're going to Disneyland. We'll take a break from him. I'll show him first. He's cute. Look at him. Look at the cuteness. The cuteness level is real. So we're going to Disneyland. We are flying back on the 20th of November.
Come back this Sunday.
So we're going to land on the 20th. We're going to go to DCA that night and spend the evening at Disney's California Adventure. Then the next day, the 21st, we're going to go to Disneyland for the whole day. Probably like a really long vlog. And then the last day we're there, the 22nd, we're going to go to DCA in the morning, and then we fly out
a late flight,
at 11. So we're going to stay till the park till probably like 6 or 7-ish.
Haven't figured that out.
But we are going to Disneyland.
Tickets are purchased.
Tickets, hotels, flights.
Like it's all done.
Genie Plus, which comes with freaking the photo pass.
So Genie Plus,
good.
We bought with our tickets, and we bought 3 days worth of tickets. So Genie Plus ended up being $60, so $20 per day, which isn't bad because it comes with the photo pass. Where in Walt Disney World, it's $15 and you don't get the photo pass. So definitely worth it. We're definitely gonna use it a ton. So
yeah, saved
us money because we probably would have bought pictures anyway.
Yep, pretty much. That was a good box. Back to the box, I would definitely buy another one of those. For the price, it was not that bad. I could get, the slip and tell you how much it was, but I'm almost positive they sent it, and it was, 50, I think? Question mark?
I'll probably see more of these, because this is, the small little bit of Disney we can get right now.
There's not, a box lunch or, a Hot Topic, but there's, this is an online retailer. The box doesn't have the thing on it.
If there's anything we really need from any of those stores, we've just been shipping it back to our houses. Mm-hmm. So potentially there might be a large Disneyland, Disney World, and anything else haul in December, January coming, but not for a while. For now, it'll probably just be Pops.
It was a good box.
Yeah, I can't believe I got the other Olaf.
The other Olaf is hysterical. I knew you were
I've been saying for weeks that I was going to get Olaf from the box.
Shipping was fast. It was good. I would say my favorite out of the box would have to be Mickey. I like him.
My favorite is Olaf, but I also really like the Mexico one because I didn't know there was a Mexico one.
And we love it's a chase. That's what I mean, because it's from the convention. I would say
on my because I got the United States one, it just had the same floor on the back as this one, so I didn't even know that this one existed. So that was kind of really cool to get, and I love it.
It's sick.
It's sick.
It's sick. So we'll probably show you our collections now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Disneyland is coming up. We are probably also going to have a few videos from Australia, random things we're doing here that might seem fun. So there'll be probably a few more Australia videos, and then we're off to Disneyland for Christmas nonetheless. So excited. And then we're going to go back to Florida, and we will be at Disney World again. And that'll be it until probably more Disney World vlogs. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at The Castle Couple. And I know you love that part. And yeah, we'll see you guys around the kingdom. Bye. Alright, so this is my collection, and I have PhilharMagic Mickey for the 50th, the People Mover for the 50th, both Mickey. I have Mo and Wally. Wally was one of the ones that I had just ordered separately. And I have good old Steve Irwin with our croc. So yeah, that's my collection. Alright, so this is Erin's collection, and she has the United States Small World. She has a Diamond Edition Pocahontas, and this was just like a little, I don't remember what they were called, but they were just like a little mystery pack of the villains, and she got a mystery box and got Maleficent. So yeah, that's Erin's collection.